guys, welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. Today, we are going to learn how to write a complaint letter for salary delay. What is a complaint letter for salary delay? A complaint letter is a type of letter written to address any type of wrongdoing, offense, grievance, or resentment arising out of a product, service, etc. It is used to raise your concern about unfair things and seek a productive outcome, and in this case is for the delay of the salary. Here, Writing Practices will show you how to write a complaint letter for salary delay step by step. Check this out. First thing first, just like any other business letters in general, you have to write your full name. And write your home address. Or you can replace it with your department and occupation in the company. If you pick up the address, write the number, the street, the city, the state, and the zip code. After that, you can write the date of the letter. Write the month, date, and year. Now, you can write personal information about the recipient. In this example, the letter is addressed to the manager. So, write the full name of the manager. In this example is Elon Musk. And write his or her title or occupation in the company. In this example is manager department. And write the company name. After that, write the address of the office or company. Don't forget to mention the number, street, city, state, and zip code. Now, open the letter with salutation. The formal way is by writing Dear Mr. or Ms. or Mrs., followed by the last name of the recipient. In the first paragraph, introduce yourself. You can mention your name, your department, and your occupation in the company. And write that you want to complain about your salary that is being delayed. Yes, you have to mention which month you didn't get the salary. In the second paragraph, write how long the salary has been delayed. In this example, the salary is more than 20 days. And write how you have no idea about this issue. Mention that the salary is not credited into your account just like previous months. In the third paragraph, convince the recipient that you didn't violate any regulations in the company. You can mention how you always mark the attendance portal or something. And mention you got no LOP last month. Besides that, you can also mention the manager to verify it to the account department. And ask politely to the manager to process your salary. Show how urgency it is to get your right. It's okay, don't be afraid. And finally, Close the letter with yours faithfully, or sincerely, or best regards. Now, put your signature and your full name under it. So, that's how you write a complaint letter for salary delay. You have to write it properly and don't show emotions here. Be polite, make it short and clear. Good luck.